Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you the 10 best AI chat apps you should try. Let's get started. First is ChatGPT. It's great for writing, learning, and coding help. Next is Claude. It's known for detailed answers and strong reasoning, especially with long content. Third, we have Gemini. It works well with Google apps like Docs and Gmail. Fourth is Copilot. It helps you inside Microsoft apps like Word and Excel to boost productivity. Fifth is Character AI. You can chat with custom or fictional personalities, perfect for fun and storytelling. Number 6 is Replika. This one is more like a personal AI companion for daily chats. Seventh is Perplexity. It combines AI chat with real-time web search for accurate answers. Eighth is Pi AI. It focuses on friendly and supportive conversations. Number 9 is Poe. It gives you access to multiple AI models in one place. And finally, number 10 is Grok. It offers AI chat with real-time insights and social context. And that's it. Those are the 10 best AI chat apps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.